Hey, Sono YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to the first episode of this year. So now that we are back, we're gonna talk about this clipper, this VGR V165. It's somehow a transparent clipper, you know, a dark brown transparent clipper, and got 2000 milliamp battery. You know, with a clicky lever, you can use it cord or cordless. You know, charging time 3 hours, operating time 150 minutes. So normally it should be a good clipper, but for me it's the worst first clipper of the year. So let's see what they got inside. Keep this aside. Charging cable, 4 guards, the manual. I don't know if maybe you can see it. It's a dark brown transparent clipper, you know. It's got clicking lever. It's not zero gap. You cannot zero gap it if you got these screws. And the blade is really thick, a thick blade. The charging port. It feels good, really feels good in the hand. But for me, it's not a powerful clipper. You see? It's like for me, it's not really powerful. So let's try to change this thing so we can zero gap it. You see that? For me, this is not a fade blade. Somehow it's a taper blade. What do you say, guys? So all accumulation, it's just this. You see? It's like it's losing power. No power. Okona,